All right, the next project going on over here at City Girl Meets Farm Boy is the master bathroom renovation. We are partnering with the Home Depot to show you all the steps along the way to get to the final reveal. Now, if you are really nervous about doing a bathroom renovation, the Home Depot has got your back. I have done so much research on their website, and I will link this for you all in this YouTube video in the comment section of how you can learn how to install a toilet or tile or a shower door. All of those things are listed on their website, and I've already started to do the research to educate myself. And I'm so excited to bring you along on the process. So let me show you what we're working with. This bathroom is actually amazing. We have loved it. It's an 8-year-old bathroom, so it's still very, very new, but we've had some issues with our tile. The tile that was installed before we got here is starting to yellow, and so we are planning on tearing out the tile. And once we were like, if we're gonna tear out the tile, there's so much tile in this bathroom, why don't we update it the way we would wanted to in the beginning if we had built this house ourselves? We want to make this bathroom a lot less busy, much more simple, a spa-like feel. We're gonna be adding in a new shower door, a freestanding tub, be salvaging a lot of these pieces. We're gonna have all of the links of everything we purchased for you from the Home Depot on our blog. So this is where we're gonna get started. These are the pieces that Mikey did.
Yeah, so you just sanded down the edges.
Okay.
It's pretty rough.
Because it's plywood, you want to sand it down, huh?
And on the bottom, there was a lot of scraps that were poking out from the sides, so we just did a rough sand down.
So what they look like. So those are the pieces.
We're just gonna nail gun in those little wood planks.
What was the spacer that we decided? An inch? Are we gonna use?
So these are 1.5 inches wide. And
Great.
so I marked it on the tape and down low where the baseboard will be.
Perfect.
And then you can just line it up.
It's a lot more effective when you have a spacer. So the accent wall is completed. Changing the floor, the baseboards, the toilet, all the things, but it's coming along.
We're just removing the caulking along this corner here so we can separate the glass pieces, hitting it softly, and hopefully it just disconnects and falls over.
Look at the mayhem.
The mayhem. Look at my hair.
Your hair!
Because I actually removed the tile just by hitting it with a hammer and it shattered, pulled it off. And then I unscrewed all of the screws that held in the drywall, cut with an angle cutter, an angle saw, the border of the drywall, and then I just pulled it off, which is actually what's behind you. Right there.
Oh!
The whole piece just came off, which made it really easy.
Okay, that is so much more effective. Wow, look at this mess. Bye-bye, bathtub.
This is a Schluter Purdy board and membrane. It's
Okay.
a complete shower kit with the shower basin.
You can find all of the different styles, different sizes, all at the Home Depot, but it is perfect for bathroom stuff. Here's this is what it looks like. I'll have it listed on the blog.
I have an actual
Did you see that?
That we don't
Shooter
need
board, 3D board. Oak area, and this is where we put all of the shampoo and conditioner.
This here is just a waterproof and moisture-proof like sealant for the shower. Learning how to do it, I had no idea what to do before.
Right.
Schluter company on their website has some really detailed instructions on what to do. Made it super easy to learn.
YouTube it.
Yeah, just YouTube it.
YouTube Schluter.
Go to their website actually, they have the instructions on there, the video instructions.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so one of the things I really was looking forward to in this bathroom is an accent Teakwood wall. After looking up at the Home Depot website, I found these Teakwood panels. So I didn't have to get the Teakwood, cut it, and stain it myself. It is a higher price point, but this is like the wall of the bathroom. This on the back, then you put them up, they're real wood, and then you put them together like a puzzle piece on the wall with a nail gun. I'm really excited. It's gonna be so gorgeous. We are trying to decide vertical or horizontal. This is the life-proof flooring that we're putting in the bathroom. It's the waterproof vinyl. Tons and tons. I mean, look, it goes all the way down to here. What we're debating right now is tearing out the tile or putting this gorgeous flooring right on top of it. There's a lot of people who are doing that right now where you're just leaving the tile in and putting the flooring right on top. Is that satisfying?
Satisfying, so satisfying. Something that's really useful with these is after they've hardened for 24 hours, after the mud's done drying, you can just kick these out and then just pop off, and then these wedges you can reuse for the next time.
Oh.
And then it leaves the piece of plastic
these
underneath.
wedges, leveling wedges.
So they say you just like kick them out.
Just pop out.
Pops out.
We have water.